This is a rare and historic piece of American silver craftsmanship. A solid silver overlay perfume bottle, patented January 5th, 1886, by the Alvin Manufacturing Company. Made during the very year Alvin's revolutionary silver deposition process was introduced, this bottle represents the first generation of silver overlay work in the United States. The clear glass body is adorned with finely detailed silver scrollwork in the flowing Art Nouveau style, with a hand-engraved monogram. Both the stopper and base are etched with the number 427, confirming they are an original match pair. The bottle is marked solid silver 223 a pat January 5-86, referencing Alvin's groundbreaking patent. There's a surface scratch on the base and a couple of small chips on the stopper, but overall it remains in excellent antique condition. This is more than just a perfume bottle. It's a tangible piece of decorative arts history,